Hello, Jobi. Come and sit down.
Oh, thank you. I'm Agent Jobi today, super spy.
Oh, OK. Agent Jobi. Oh, what's that? Jobi. Jobi?
Oh, yes, Dr Ranj?
What are you doing?
Super spy stuff, Dr Ranj, with my super spy ray.
Do you know why you're here today, Jobi?
Well, sometimes I don't hear things very well. I think I might need new ears, Dr Ranj.
You don't need new ears, Jobi.
Well, but if I do, can I have elephant ears? Oh, they're massive. Then I'll be able to hear everything.
There are things we can do to help you hear better, but to find out, we'll have to do a hearing test.
Hearing test? Oh, no.
What's up?
I don't know much about hearing.
Don't worry, it's not the kind of test where you have to answer questions.
I know lots about spy stuff, though.
A hearing test is how we find out what you can hear and what you can't hear. I'm going to ask you to listen to some special sounds, so it's important that you listen today.
Oh, sorry, Dr Ranj. Did you say something? I didn't hear.
Well, that's what I need to find out. Maybe you didn't hear me, or maybe you just weren't listening.
Oh, don't worry, Dr Ranj. Super spies listen to everything.
OK, well, first, I need to have a look inside your ear.
Wow, I didn't realise you were a super spy too, Dr Ranj. That's so cool.
I'm not a spy, Jobi. This is an horoscope.
A what-is-scope?
Horoscope. It's like a special torch with a magnifying glass.
Cool. Oh, are you going to poke it in my ears, Dr Ranj?
You should never poke things in your ears, Jobi. I'm just going to use it to look inside your ears to check they're OK. It won't hurt, but it might tickle.
Oh, when you shine that light in my ear, Dr Ranj, does it shine out of the other one?
No, Jobi, because your brain's in the way.
Oh, what can you see inside my ears, Dr Ranj?
I can see your eardrums.
Eardrums? Wow, they must be so loud. Boom, 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 boom. But I've never heard them. Boom, 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 boom.
It's not that kind of drum. The eardrum is like a tiny, thin sheet that wobbles backwards and forwards when you hear sounds.
Oh.
From what I could see, Jobi, your ears look OK inside.
Oh, but so why can't I hear some things?
Something inside your ears might not be working properly. That's why we need to do the hearing test today. Are you ready to do it now?
I think so, Dr Ranj. This looks fun.
It's just like a game. Every time you hear a sound, you just need to put a shape into the tray.